Friends, how are you all? Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. I am Manjusha Pal. You are studying maths with me. Okay. Let's begin our lecture. In previous lectures, we have done rounding of numbers to nearest 10 and rounding of numbers to nearest 100. In today's class, we will learn rounding of numbers to nearest 1000. Our today's topic is rounding of numbers to nearest 1000. Before starting today's topic, I am recalling the previous concept, okay? And for that, I have written the rules for here already. What were the rules for rounding of number nearest to 10? What were the rules? If right digit is 5 or if right digit is 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, then we add 1 to the tens place and change all the remaining digits to 0. All the right digits to 0, right? And what was rule step 2? If when you check the digit now, if the digit is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, then what we do? We keep the tens place as it is and make the right digits 0. Okay, let's understand by an example. Look, I am taking a number. Suppose we have a number 4, 8, 2, 5, 6. Okay, it is a 5-digit number. You want to round off this number nearest to 10. So what you will do for rounding of it? You will check it is 5 is at tens place, 6 is at ones place, 2 is at hundreds, it is at thousands, and 4 is at 10,000 place, right? So you want to round off this number nearest to 10. So what is the step? You will check just a right digit to the tens place. You will check just a right digit. It is tens place, you are rounding number to nearest 10. So it is tens place and you will check just a right to the tens place. So at tens place 6 is there. Okay, tens place 6 is there. So 6 is coming in which rule? In rule number 1, in step 1 or step 2? It is coming in step 1, right here. So read, if right digit is 6, then we add 1 to the tens place digit. So our right digit is 6, so what you will do? You will add 1 to the tens place. Okay, and change all right digits to 0. So what you will do? You will write these digits as it is. Okay, where you will make change? You will make change in here. So 5 plus 1, 6, and we add 1 to the tens place digit, so we add 1. Okay, then change all right digits to 0. So see here at 5's right, 6 is there, and you have to change it to 0 according to the rule. So this is your rounded off number. It is your answer, right? So this is how you change. First you check the right digit, then you round off. Okay, first you check the just the right digit of the rounding digit, then your rounding digit was tens, the digit which is at tens place. Okay, the rounding digit, and what you will check? You will check just right digit. Okay, let's take another example. Suppose we have a number 3, 5, 4, 6, 1. Okay, you want to round off this 5-digit number to nearest 10. So what you will do? Which digit you will check? You will check just right to the rounding digit. So 6 is our rounding digit. Okay, because you are rounding nearest to 10 and 6 is at tens place. So what you will do? You will check just a right digit, and just a right digit is 1. So see, 1 is coming in which step? It is coming in rule number 2 when you check. So if right digit is 1, then keep tens place as it is and change all rights to 0. So what you will do? You will keep tens place as it is and right digit and change right digit to 0, and remaining these digits will be as it is. So this is your answer. Okay, this is your rounded off answer, right? In the same manner, the digits to nearest 100. Okay, I am just revising this topic. Okay, in previous class we have done, and we have done some questions based on exercise 1.4 also. Okay, now I am taking example for rounding of numbers to nearest 100. So for doing this, I am changing the rules also. When we were talking rounding of number nearest to 10, then here 10 was written. So I am now we are doing for 100. So I will write here hundreds place. Okay. Here also I will write hundreds place. Okay, let's understand this rounding of nearest to 100. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a 6-digit number and you want to round off this number to nearest 100. Okay, to nearest 100 you want to round off it. So nearest 100 you are rounding. So your rounding digit is hundreds place digit. Your rounding digit is hundreds place digit, right? So your rounding digit here is 4 because you are rounding of the number nearest to 100, right? So your rounding digit here is 4. Now what is the rule? You will check just a right digit. So here at just a right place 8 is there. So see in which rule 8 is coming, in rule number 1 or in step 1 or step 2? It is coming in step 1. If right digit is 8, then we add 1 to the hundreds place. Where we add 1? If right digit is 8. Okay, then what we do? We add 1 to hundreds place. Okay, and we add 1 to hundreds place. So we add 1 and change all right digits to 0. So what you will do? These were 2 right digits. You will change these digits to 0. Add 1 to 4. 4 plus 1, 5, and these remaining digits write as it is. So this is how you got the rounded number nearest to 100, right? Wait, see here in 100, ones in tens place is 0, right? So when you round off any number, you can use this trick. You should make ones and tens place of the given number to 0. Okay, and you have to do changes in this according to this right digit. This is how we do rounding of numbers to nearest 100. We check the just right digit and apply the rule. Okay, now let's come to our today's topic. Our today's topic is rounding of numbers to nearest 1000. Our today's topic is rounding of numbers to nearest 1000. Okay, so the rules are same. Just I have to make change here. These whatever I am teaching in online class, no need to write in copy. You can just keep your book with you and a rough copy. Okay, I will send you PDF for all this content. Okay, write only from the PDF. Okay. Rounding of numbers to nearest 1000. We have two rules. We have to follow these two simple rules to do rounding of numbers. Okay. We were doing this question number 3 of exercise 1.2. So open exercise 1.4 on page number 9. Open exercise 1.4 on page number 9. Question number 3. In previous lectures we have done this column and this column. Now we are going to do this column. Okay, so I am making this and this only. You will fill this column by pencil. Okay. So let us do question number 3. Number is given and here rounded off digit to rounded to nearest 1000. The last column we are going to do today, okay? So I am writing this and this only. These two columns we have done in previous class. A. The given number is 88,84,630. Okay? You want to round off this given number to nearest 1000. So to rounding it off, you have to follow two simple rules. And what are these simple rules? First, you will check which digit. Now you will check. It is at thousands place. You are rounding the number to nearest thousand. So you will check the just right digit. And just right digit which is at hundreds place. You will check just right digit. And at just right place, 6 is there. You check the right digit. At just right digit 6 is there. So if right digit is 6 is coming in which step? Step 1 or step 2? In step 1. So follow step 1. If right digit is 6, then we add 1 to the thousands place. So our right digit is 6. So what we will do? We will add 1 to the, we will add 1 to thousands place. It is thousands place. So I am adding 1. We add 1 to the thousands place digit and change all the right digits to 0. So these are 3 right digits. So you will change these 3 digits to 0. So what you will get? Right answer here. 8 as it is, because no need to change here. 8 as it is. Now you are adding 1 to thousands place. So add 4 plus 1, 5. And the remaining right digits to 0, or you can see that in thousand, ones, tens and hundreds place are 0. So also you have to make ones, tens and hundreds place of the given number to 0. Okay, you have to change this to 0. So this is how we round off the given number to nearest 1000. Okay, let's take part B. Given number is 67,12,639. You want to round off this number nearest to 1000. So which digit you will check? You will check. It is at thousands place. 2 is at thousands place. Which digit you will check? You will check just right digit. And at just right digit, 6 is there. So 6 is coming in which step? In which rule? It is coming in step 1. So follow this step. If right digit is 6, then we add 1 to the thousands place. So what you will do? You will add 1 to this place. When you add 1 to 2, what you will get? You will get, you have to add 1 to this, and change all right digits to 0. So you will change all these right digits to 0. Okay. The remaining digits will be same, means 6 as it is, 7 as it is, 1 as it is. But in thousands place you are adding 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. And the remaining 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds place will be 0. Put comma according to Indian system, okay? Now let's do the next. 23,65,761. Now you want to round off this number nearest to thousands place. So which digit you will check? You will check just right digit to the thousands digit. Check. Here 5 is at thousands place. You will check just right digit, means you will check this 7. And see, 7 is coming in which rule? In which step? It is coming here or here? It is coming in this step. So if right digit is 7, then we add 1 to the thousands place. Then what we do? We add 1. Where? In thousands place. It is thousands place. You will add 1 here. Okay? And change all right digits to 0. So you will change all these 3 right digits to 0. Okay, 2 and 3 as it is, 6 as it is, but you are changing this thousands place. 5 plus 1, 6. the remaining 3 digits 0. Okay, so this is how we do rounding off. Let's do next, that is part D. In part D, given number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,748. 748. Okay. You want to round off this large number to nearest 1000. So to rounding off, what you will do? You will check just right digit to thousands place. Here 9 is at thousands place. What you will do? You will check this digit, just right digit. Okay. So when you check this just right digit, so this right digit, that is 7, is coming in which step? In step 1 or step 2? It is coming in step 1. If right digit is 7, then we add 1 to the thousands place. So what you will do? You will add 1 to thousands place. Okay, and change all right digits to 0. So you will change these right digits to 0. Okay, so add 1 here. I am doing here in rough work. Okay, you will change these 3 right digits to 0. Add 1. 9 plus 1 10. You cannot write 2 digits at one place. Here you can write only 1 digit at one place. So 1 will carry forward. 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1 10. So your rounded off number is now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Your number is 10 crore. When you round off this large number, na, you got 10 crore. It was rough work, okay? Don't scare from the large numbers. You have to follow for all the given numbers. You have to follow the same rules, okay? Part E you have to do by your own, okay? I hope you understand the topic well. This one, the last question, you have to do by your own. And part C of question number 2 also you have to do by your own, okay? You want to round off this number nearest to 1000. Okay. So for rounding it off, what you will do? You will follow these two simple rules. And first, what you will check? Which digit you will check? You will check just right digit to thousands place, as you are rounding it off to nearest thousand. So you will check just right digit, okay? And at just right place, you see that here 8 is there. Now see, 8 is coming in which step? When I check, 8 is coming in step 1, right? So if right digit is 8, then we add 1 to the thousands place. Means we will add 1 to the thousands place. Here 7 is at thousands place, so we are adding 1 to thousands place. And change all right digits to 0, okay? Or you can see that in thousand, ones, tens and hundreds place is 0. So you will make ones, tens and hundreds place of the given number to 0. So ones, tens and hundreds place is 0. 7 plus 1, 8, and the remaining digits as it is. So this is how you got the rounded off number nearest to 1000. I hope you got the exercise, that is rounding of number nearest to 10, nearest to 100 and nearest to 1000. Okay, but still if you have any doubts, you can re-watch this video, understand the topic, then perform the questions based on this topic. Okay, or try to solve questions by your own. I will provide the PDF related to this content. Okay, practice more and more questions based on this topic. Okay, so our today's class over here. Bye bye.